Welcome to our channel. If you received your Chase Rewards card and want to activate it and start claiming your points, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Locate the activation sticker on your new Chase Rewards card, which includes activation instructions and a phone number. Step 2. Call the activation phone number provided on the sticker, typically found on the front of your card, or visit chase.com/verify card. Step 3. If activating by phone, follow the automated prompts and enter your card number when requested. Step 4. Provide any additional verification information as prompted, such as your social security number or date of birth. Step 5. If activating online, visit chase.com/verify card, enter your card information, and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Once your card is activated, sign the back of your card immediately for security purposes. Step 7. Download the Chase mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 8. Log in to your Chase account using your username and password, or create an account if you're a new user. Step 9. Navigate to the Rewards or Ultimate Rewards section from the main menu. Step 10. Review your current rewards points balance and explore redemption options such as travel, cashback, gift cards, or merchandise. Step 11. Select your desired rewards and follow the prompts to claim your points. Monitor your account regularly to maximize earning opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.